Hello everyone, welcome to Google Sheet Pro. If you are looking to create barcodes in Google Sheets quickly and easily, you are in the right place. Today I am going to show you a super simple method that you can use to generate barcodes without manually designing them. Let's get started. The first step is to format your code so that it can be converted into a barcode. Let's say your code is in cell A2. To do this, click on cell B2 or any cell where you want to barcode to appear and enter this formula. Press enter. This formula will add an asterisk before and after your code, which is necessary for the barcode font to work properly. Next, you will want to apply this formula to the rest of your codes. You can do this by dragging the fill handle from the bottom right corner of cell B2 down to the other cells. This will automatically add asterisks around each code in the selected range. Now comes the exciting part, converting these codes into actual barcodes. Highlight the cells where you have applied the formula, then go to the font menu in Google Sheets. From the list, select Libre Barcode 39. And just like that, you have created barcodes. Drag the formula down to the rest of the cells. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.